Okay friends, in this lesson we are going to talk about the Bootstrap framework. Bootstrap is a popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework used for developing the mobile-first websites. And its features are it is easy to use and it has a responsive feature like your site will be responsive in your mobile phone, tablets and desktop as well. And it is compatible with most browsers we are using. So if you have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS by using Bootstrap, you can greatly improve the styling of your page. When we download Bootstrap, it has three major files. The first one is bootstrap.css, the other one is bootstrap.js, and there are glyph icons. It is basically a set of icons. And additionally, you can download the jQuery file, which is also required for this project. So let's download Bootstrap, friends. Okay, before downloading Bootstrap, I'm going to make a separate folder for our project. So here we have, and I will rename it to Devsland project. Inside this folder we will download all of our files. Okay, now let's go to Google and type download Bootstrap 3.3.7. Remember, this is the version we need to download. Don't download Bootstrap 4 since we have used Bootstrap 3.3.7 in this project. So search it and click on the first link. Right after clicking the first link, a page just appeared. Now you can see the second column. In the second column, source code is written. Click on download source. Start downloading. Now open it and extract it to your project directory which we have just created. That is Devsland project. So click on Devsland project and press OK. Now the file is extracted to our project folder. So let's come to our project folder, which is Devsland project, and click on Bootstrap-3.3.7. Now inside this folder, click on dist. Then click on CSS. Now we only need these two files, bootstrap.css and bootstrap.min.css. So delete these bootstrap-theme.min.css files. We don't need them. Bootstrap.min.css is as same as bootstrap.css. The only difference is this one is the minified version of the above. Minified version means less spaces and low in size. This file is used so that file gets loaded in your browser quickly. So, but it is the readable version of Bootstrap for developers, so they can open it and read the codes for their understanding. Now go back and click on JS folder. Here you need these files. So now click on CSS, press Ctrl and click on JS. Now copy these two folders. Go back and paste here. And then delete this bootstrap-3.3.7 folder. We don't need this folder. Okay, now I will create an index file with the extension HTML. Then go inside your CSS folder and create a style.css file. Okay, now open your Sublime text editor. You will see a blank screen. Press the Alt button. Open file. We need to open the file we have just created. The file is inside our Devsland project, so click on this file. Now the index.html file is opened. I want to open our HTML file side by side with our CSS file. So I want to have my CSS file here and HTML file here. To make it possible, click on View, then come to Layout, then click on Columns 2. Okay, then here open your CSS file. Come to your project directory, click on CSS and then click on style.css. Open this file here. Now both of our files are opened. Okay, then inside our HTML file, type HTML and press tab key. The HTML5 document is now automatically generated. Then inside your HTML tag, type lang and the language is EN, which means English. Then right after your head tag, write a comment, required meta tags, then change it into a comment form by selecting it and pressing Ctrl/. It is now converted into comment. Okay, right after this comment, create a meta tag. Type meta and press tab, which is denoting the character encoding inside our HTML. Then create another meta tag, and this time we name it to viewport, and then the content will be width is equal to device width, comma, initial scale 1. We need this meta tag when we work on the responsive aspect of our website. Then inside title, write Devsland, which is the name of our website. Okay, in the next lesson we will learn how to download jQuery and how to link your HTML and JavaScript files to your index.html.